In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana. Adding a guest is perfect when you want someone outside your organization, like a client, contractor, or partner, to collaborate without giving them full access to everything in your workspace. Guests only see what you share with them, which keeps your projects focused and secure. Start by heading to Asana and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where your project lives. If you have multiple workspaces, you can switch using the menu in the top bar. It's a small detail, but it prevents inviting someone to the wrong place. Open the project you want to share. You can find it from your sidebar, your home screen, or by using the search bar if you have a lot of projects. Take a quick look through the project to confirm it's the right one and that the content inside is appropriate for a guest to see. Remember, guests can only access items that are shared with them. So this is a good moment to ensure the tasks you want them to work on are included. Now, look for the share button at the top of the project. It's usually near the project name and shows who already has access. If you don't see the option, you may not have permission to share the project and you'll need a project owner or admin to do this for you. In the share dialog, enter the guest's email address. To be recognized as a guest in Asana, their email typically needs to be outside your organization's domain. Type carefully to avoid typos, and consider adding a short message so they know why they're being added and what you'd like them to do once they join. Some teams also choose a default access level here, like commenter or editor, depending on your plan and project settings. Give them only the access they need to keep collaboration clean and secure. When you're ready, click Invite. Asana will send an email invitation to the address you entered. The person you invited will be prompted to accept the invite, and if they don't already have an Asana account with that email, they'll be guided to create one. After they accept, they'll appear in the project's share list, and you'll be able to assign them tasks, mention them in comments, and collaborate in real time. That's it. You've successfully added a guest to your project. Keep an eye on the project's share panel if you need to adjust or remove access later, and use concise task descriptions and due dates so your guests can jump in and contribute right away.